So guys, the topmost concern today is how to watch Champions League in UAE. So I am also wondering how to watch this. So let's ask Mr. ChatGPT what he has to say about this. So we'll open the Chrome browser and then we'll just simply find for ChatGPT. We'll go here and we'll search for ChatGPT. This way. Why it is not happening? ChatGPT, okay. So we have got Mr. ChatGPT here, and then we'll ask him how to watch Champions League. In UAE. Okay, and let's see what Mr. ChatGPT has to say about this. Okay, so to watch the Champions League, here are some options that has been provided by Mr. ChatGPT. Official streaming options like TOD by beIN Media Group, and then we have got beIN Sports Connect, and then alternative way, which is not unofficial, so I'm not going to tell you the unofficial way. So these are the ways that you should be watching the Champions League. And again, we have got these tips for watching subscription plans. Consider the duration and cost of subscription. So this way you can watch the Champions League. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you again in my next video.